How to fix Roblox error code to mobile. So this error usually means Roblox failed to download or load game data, which is often caused by storage, permissions, or corrupted files. So the first thing you can go ahead and try is just restarting the Roblox app. This is a quick fix. This could help you. Just go ahead and exit the app and reopen it, of course, and you can try logging out and logging in. But if that doesn't work, you can check your internet connection. Since the error code too often appears when Roblox can't load map assets, you can try switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa, or try restarting your Wi-Fi or whatever connection you're on. So make sure your connection is not the problem. If not, you can try clearing your Roblox data. So just go ahead to your settings. You can find it in your apps. So search for apps as well. And in your apps, just search for Roblox. In Roblox, you're gonna have to clear a bit of cache. Just press on clear data and clear cache. Then try if the game you want to play works. You can also check your storage space. So if you notice you have a bit minimized storage, you can try deleting stuff you don't no longer need. And since Roblox needs extra space to load asset, make sure you have at least 1 to 2 GB of free storage. So again, delete unused apps, photos, or videos if it is needed. You can also try allowing all permissions for Roblox since it needs storage plus network permission. So go back to the app info of Roblox itself, go to app permissions and make sure most of them are on, of course. And if that doesn't work, just try reinstalling Roblox. This is usually the most effective way to fix this error. Since something could be corrupted, reinstall can fix it. But hopefully one of those options can help you with this error in Roblox. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.